Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we will start our modeling, so we will start with simple things. Today we will model a glass, so let's delete the cute light and camera by pressing A, or just select it with the mouse. Press X to delete the cube, then press Shift A to add a cube, drag it to the cursor by pressing G, then press Tab to enter to edit mode. Now add a level 2 subdivision modifier in Modifiers tab and press Alt pluses to enter X-ray. Now press Tab to go to Object Mod and press right button of mouse and select Shade Smooth to smooth the model. Go back to Edit Mod by pressing Tab and press Alt-Z to enter X-ray mod. Press 1 to enter the Edge mod and select the top edges of the glass and drag it upward by pressing G. Select the bottom edges and scale it inward by pressing S-Shift-Z. Now press Ctrl-R to add some loops and select the top loop and drag it upward so that it is a little down. Then the top loop do the same with the bottom loop. You can increase the loop cuts by scrolling the mouse wheel. Now press on Z on the axis region. Then press 3 and select the top face, then press I to inset it, then press E and extrude that face downward. Now press Shift-Z to scale the face inward. And the glass is done. Congratulations on your first model. Hope you enjoys it. We will meet in tomorrow's video. Bye for now, and make sure to support me.